boys and girls. Today, Mrs. Branham is going to talk to you about 3D shapes. We've been talking about 3D shapes for a few days now, and today we're going to learn our very last one. Now, I want you to remember that 3D shapes are fat, not flat. You know those 2D flat shapes that we learned about at the beginning of the year? Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval, hexagon, star, diamond. Those are all 2D flat shapes. They're flat like a pancake. Can you flatten your pancake with Mrs. Branham? Yep, they're flat like a pancake. But these 3D shapes that we're going to talk about, they are fat, not flat. They pop out at you. Remember, like if you go to a 3D movie and you put those glasses on, it looks like things are popping out at you. So that's like our 3D shapes too. So let's review some. I'm going to hold this 3D shape up. Tell your family what this 3D shape is. I hope you said a sphere. It's round and smooth like a ball. It does roll, and an example of a sphere may be a basketball. Okay, take a look at this 3D shape. Tell your family what this is. Good. I hope you said cone. It is a cone. A cone has a circle face on the bottom and one pointy vertex at the top. So this is a cone. A cone is like a witch hat or a unicorn horn or like an ice cream cone or a carrot nose. So those are some good examples of a cone. See if you can find some cones around your house later. Okay, we also talked about this 3D solid figure. Tell your family what this is right now. It's a cube. A cube is kind of like a dice, or remember Cubie the ice cube that we watched, or a cube of cheese. And cubes all have square faces, don't they? And let's count the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they also have 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those pointy edge vertices, okay? And so that is our cube. Good job. All right, this 3D solid figure, tell your family what this is. It's a cylinder. Good. Cylinders have 2 circle faces on the top and on the bottom, and they don't have any pointy vertices. So a cylinder, like a roll of paper towels or a can of soup around your house, that's a cylinder. And yesterday, Miss Banks taught you about the rectangular prism. And that reminds me of kind of like a brick or a bar of soap or a box of cereal or a box of tissues. So this is the rectangular prism. It does have rectangle faces. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangle faces. And it also has the 8 vertices, the pointy edges, okay? So that's the rectangular prism. Now, our last 3D shape that we're learning today, I'm going to let everybody get a good look at it. Now this 3D shape is one that you don't see too often. It's not as popular as the other 3D shapes. But this 3D shape is called a pyramid. Can you say that with me? Say pyramid. Yeah, and it has some different faces. It has a square face on the bottom. That's like the base of it. And then it has 4 triangle faces around the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it also has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices, those pointy vertices, the edges. Okay, so I'm going to show you some examples of pyramids. These are pyramids in the real world. You can see this picture of these Egyptian pyramids right here. And maybe your family could help you look up some pictures of pyramids in the real world. And also, when we talk about pyramids, I like to think about some types of tents that you use when you're camping. So this tent is in the shape of a pyramid too. So see if your family might be able to help you search and find some things that are the 3D shape of a pyramid. Work hard today.